This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over another awesome finger picking pattern that works well for 4/4 time when you want a tripletized feel. Also works for 12/8 time. That's really what's happening here. We have this 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a rhythmic underlying feel happening, so it works great for anything in 12/8 time, and that also works for 4/4 time, songs in 4/4 time where we want that tripletized feel, that 12/8 time feel happening underneath it. So once we've learned this pattern, of course, we'll jam on a couple songs using this finger picking pattern. And when I say jam, I mean you, me, and the band. So it's going to be great. This video does accompany lesson 10 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we'll be starting on pages 64 and 65. This is pattern number 14 there on page 64. Alright, so let's take a look at it. So, like we usually do, we'll learn it with the E minor chord first because we don't have to worry about having our left hand fingers on, as we won't be plucking the 4th and 5th strings. In standard positioning, our index finger is going to pluck that 3rd string, middle is going to pluck the 2nd string, ring finger is going to pluck that high string, and then our thumb is going to pluck for the E minor chord the low 6th string. We start off with a little thumb and middle finger pinch, just like the last finger picking pattern that we learned. So we pinch those, and then we have ring, index, middle, ring, index. Second half is the same as the first. So P, M, A, I, M, A, I. Note that 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a time feel. Of course, you can work it slower, faster. I'll demonstrate it just a little bit slower here. We'd have 1 and a 2 and a ready and a go and or I could take it faster. 1 and a 2 and a ready and a go and So you can work it at different tempos. Get it nice and comfortable just on that E minor chord. Then start working it with chord progressions. The chord progressions there on page 65 are a really great option for chord progressions to work through these finger picking patterns with. In this lesson, we're going to be jamming together on songs in the key of A. So let's just start off by working the A chord, the D chord, and the E or E7 chord. Doesn't matter. They're going to sound the same because we won't be plucking the 4th or 5th strings. Or the 4th or 5th strings to play that E7. So we're not going to hear that D note that happens on the 4th string that gives us the E7 chord sound. So it doesn't matter if you play E or E7, it's going to sound the same right now with what we're doing with finger picking. So we're going to have the A chord for a measure, the D chord for a measure, the E or E7 chord for a measure, and then we'll come back to A. Using this pattern, we'd have 1 and 2 and ready and go and we could work it at different tempos. I'll do it a little bit faster. 1 and a 2 and a ready and a go and like that. that. So you can work that sort of thing, even just that chord progression at lots of different tempos. Work through the chord progressions there on page 65. Those kinds of things that can be helpful for you as you're getting comfortable with it. Then it's time to play some songs. So that's what we're going to do here in this video. So we'll start off actually playing a song that uses the chord progression number 2. So chord progression number 2 found there on page 65. Then we're going to go over to page 32 and play song number 9. So those are the two songs that we'll play. That'll be up here on the board so you'll know which one's happening when, and each one is going to happen at 2 different tempos. So I have a slower tempo and a faster tempo. So we get to practice it at both of those. If even the slower tempo is a bit much, you can just mute those strings, practice getting the finger picking pattern down, helping your hands stay relaxed, and start worrying about the chords. You can also, of course, practice them on your own at slower tempos and build them up to the speed that's needed to play them with me and the band. So it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and play these songs together. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having lots and lots of fun with this. In the next video, we're going to work on finger picking pattern number 15. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.